Hello, this is Steve Reyes. What I'm showing here is a 4-port VectorStar broadband system. The 4-port system is the same broadband system operating from 70 kilohertz to 110 gigahertz, except in this case we're using 4 of our Anritsu millimeter wave modules instead of the 2 for a 2-port configuration. The VectorStar is the 70 kilohertz to 70 gigahertz version. And then we have a test set that drives the millimeter wave modules. So then if you wanted to upgrade your system to a 4-port configuration, all you would need to do is to add the 4-port controller and an additional test set, and then of course the 2 additional modules. So you can go from a standard 70 kilohertz to 70 gigahertz VectorStar, add the test set and modules later in order to create a 2-port broadband system, and then later on, as your needs go into a differential requirements, then you can add your test ports and your other 2 additional modules at a later time. So it's always a very easy way to upgrade your VectorStar into multiple types of applications as your needs grow. The modules themselves will operate again up to 110 gigahertz, and this is the benchtop configuration which we're showing in terms of doing signal integrity measurements, and along with the signal integrity capabilities, what we have is a software that we're showing the different aspects of uncertainties and other types of analysis. So the software is from HFE MMS4, and the software will go through and determine uncertainties based on the types of calibrations that you're using, based on the types of connectors or any kind of interface that you're using. So in other words, if you're having to use fixtures, you can include those fixtures in your uncertainty calculations. So it will give you the error bars that determine the uncertainties based on the choices that you have. This could be very important if you're having to install calibration standards on your substrate. So if you want to decide which types of standards you might want to include, you can input that information into the software. It will give you a response in terms of what the uncertainties are, and then you can make your choice as to which standards are best for your particular type of application. And then finally, what they are showing is the other analysis tools that you would expect in signal integrity measurements, such as eye diagrams, etc. So that's the basic system, and if you wanted to go into an on-wafer environment, then what I'll be showing you next is the ability to mount these modules in a way that gives you a 4-port configuration on wafer.